Hi everyone, I'm Elena and welcome to this month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today we're exploring Higgsfield AI. This is a powerful tool that helps you turn simple prompts into eye-catching videos in minutes. Whether you're a marketer, creator, or small business owner, this could give your content a serious edge. So let's dive in. Head over to higgsfield.ai and sign up. The free plan gives you 5 credits per day so you can start experimenting right away. Inside the dashboard, pick what you want to create. Maybe an animated image, a talking avatar, or a short AI video. For example, let's create a video. I'm going to type in a video of a robot barista serving coffee in a futuristic cafe. Now, click Generate and Higgsfield AI brings it to life. Here is our robot barista in action. And when you're ready, download your video. Share it across social media, use it in your ads, or drop it in your next tutorial. It's that easy. Try Higgsfield AI today and start creating video magic with just a few words. And that's a wrap on introducing you to Higgsfield AI. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for Advertising is Simple's next month's video and exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks.